Look what I bought for myself. I got my massage chair. So it's a iComfort, I think IC4000. Let me just show you. So it's a iComfort, and it's a IC4000. So I was just, you know, thinking maybe I can show you opening it up and maybe putting it together, right? So I'm gonna show you as well, because online I didn't see so many videos showing this thing or the installation. But anyway, I'm excited. I just read a lot of good reviews about it, and I was lucky that I bought this one from Best Buy, and I think I was lucky to get the last unit that they had, right? That's heavy. Leave it here on the floor. That was the leg part. Oh, you know what? This is the entire chair, and that leg part is separate. So I'm not sure if, you know what? I really doubt that I can take it off this way, because this is the entire chair. These are not pieces, right? So maybe I open it from the side, right? That might be the best. There we go. But don't worry about garbages, guys. You see my V11 outsize, the Dyson. That's an amazing vacuum, and I'm gonna use it to clean up. There we go. Okay, let me just make sure that you guys can see things. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it looks beautiful. Okay. And most probably I'm gonna place it on this side here. So let me move some stuff. Okay, I just moved the sofa. And now, you know, this is a heavy chair, right? And I have to do it all alone. Let me just turn the camera. So I want to place it. Oh, you know what? Let me move the camera here. So this is where I want to place it, right? Anyway, guys, so let me just. So there is not much to it. Let me just place it over there, and then I'm gonna get back to you guys, show you how to put the leg parts together, and that's gonna be it. Okay, guys, so the chair is placed here now. Let's take a look from the front. There we go. So I have to connect this part. It comes with a sort of accessories. Let's see what it comes with. So it's a power cable, and oh, that's it. And it's the remote controller, right? Anyway, I thought it might come with so many other things, but it's not. So let me figure out how to connect this one here. Oh, it's just a pin lock. Okay, so it should be easy to put it together. So this is the leg part, right? And there we go. This is the leg part of it. And I need to connect this. There we go. This is supposed to go in here like this. So the pin lock is supposed to come out. Oh, it has a wheel. That's pretty good. Okay, it says take off the ties. There we go. Remove the zip tie. Now, as I said, it's just a pin lock, but now I have to figure out. Oh, okay. It goes off. There we go. The first one is removed, and this is the second one. Make sure not to lose them. And I guess it's supposed to go in like this. And then I have to connect these wires first. Yeah. So let's connect these ones. Let me see. Oh, this part comes down. Oh, no, this goes. There we go. This is connected. And I don't know what this tube is for. Maybe some sort of liquid or something? But it has clamp on one side. It doesn't have clamp on the side that I'm attaching. If it's a sort of liquid or something. Okay. Now the tube is connected as well, and I don't think that it's gonna come off. I tried to take it apart. That's good. It doesn't come off. Look at this. Okay. It's holding pretty tight. And I can move this clamp, honestly. Or better not to. But they should have left me another one here for me to feel secure, right? To feel good about it. But it's alright. I mean, let me see if there is something in here. No, there's nothing in here. Oh, it has a... Anyway. So, I'm gonna put this one in here. There we go. That's in. Now I need to put the pin locks back in place. Number 1. There we go. Number 2. There we go. I'm surprised how easy the installation was. That was super easy installation. Honestly, if I was not filming, I could get it done in just maybe like 2-3 minutes. Okay, well, what's this? Oh, it's a pocket for something. Comes on the side or something, but anyway, I'm gonna keep it. Let me see the remote controller. I don't know where to connect this one, but definitely, maybe I should have read the user manual, but you guys know me. There we go. So here it is. Okay, let me figure out where these things gonna be connected. Most probably somewhere under the chair. Oh, right here at the back of the chair. Okay, let me just move the camera that you guys can see as well. So this is where the wire is going to be connected like a remote controller or the controller. And that pocket that I showed you, I said, okay, I don't know what that one is. That most probably for this thing, right? And let me place it on the floor. Let me connect this one as well. I don't know. Should be connected like this. And honestly, like 10-15 minutes in installation is not that bad, right? And as I said, I was filming. Otherwise, maybe I could install it in 5 minutes. I was not expecting the installation to be that easy. But I'm happy. Let me just move the camera. Okay, I'm gonna plug the chair in. Put the let's connect it here. There we go. You know what? Should I get a massage now? What do you guys think? It's ready. Let me just adjust this one. What do you guys say? Should I get a massage now? Let's try it. You see this pocket? I think it's for the remote that goes in here. So most probably it hangs someplace like this. And then this one most probably goes into it, right? Leave it here for now. And make sure the wires are not on my way. And you know, let's try it. Take my phone off. Let me see that you guys can see stuff. There we go. Not bad. Let me lower it. I don't want to just jump over it. Let me turn it on. Turn on. Oh, yeah. I'm excited, guys. I'm excited. What a birthday present I bought for myself. But I want it in front of the TV, so that's why I installed it there. Why is it going up again? Oh, actually, you know what? I turned it on. I think it's started scanning, right? I think this thing scans, right? And, scans the body and sees the weight and the height of the shoulders and so on. So, yeah, let me just put it on full. Oh, there we go. Now it's taking care of my feet, but I'm a bit maybe short. Yeah, okay, there we go. Oh, I have to put my hands, sorry guys. I have to put my hands in here. Oh, it holds you in. I didn't know that. I was worried about, oh my God. I was worried about that, you know guys, I have a little bit of pain in my neck, right? So, oh, my feet. I was worried that when it massages my back or my neck, it might push me forward, right? But now I can see that it's holding me in. Look at my shoulders. It's actually the airbags are pushing my shoulder in toward the seat, right? So it doesn't allow me to move, especially when that roller behind me, and it has a heat feature as well, right? So it, oh, my feet, feels so good, but it's pressing it so hard. Like I had massage before, like with these chairs, but like honestly, I don't know. Yeah, I never had those type of massage chairs with the full massage on my feet, right? This is a full massage for the feet. And I think it hasn't started the hands yet. I'm not sure why. Maybe it just, when it was scanning, maybe, right, my body, maybe it realized that my hands are not in here. That's why it doesn't work. But anyway, guys, let me just relax for a moment. Not bad. Oh, the hands have started now. But just one of them, one. There we go. Okay, one, and now the second one. Okay guys, anyway, it's taking so long, right? Let me just turn it off. I wish I had this much of time. Ugh. Okay, take care guys. Yeah, enjoy your time, and I'm gonna keep myself busy. I mean, I have a lot of cleaning to do. I have something to do on my computer. Hopefully I can find time for this thing. I'm not sure.